Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pudding at home with Gelatin Easy Guide. Bloom the gelatin in cold water for 5 minutes, then warm milk and sugar until steaming but not boiling. Whisk in cocoa or flavorings, dissolve the bloomed gelatin fully, and simmer gently to thicken while stirring. Chill in the fridge until set, about 2 to 3 hours, then serve chilled with toppings like fruit or whipped cream. Warm the milk on medium-low heat and stir constantly to avoid burning at the bottom. Once steaming, remove from heat briefly to add vanilla or cocoa, then whisk back on low heat to incorporate the bloomed gelatin completely. Keep stirring for 1 to 2 minutes until the mixture slightly thickens. Pour into serving dishes, cover to avoid skin formation, and chill until firm. Serve cold with a garnish for best texture and flavor. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe and hit like to support more simple recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: I love reading while desserts set, and the Kindle Paperwhite makes that easy and comfy in the kitchen. Check the description for the link and current deals. Thanks for the support and for watching. Now let's get back to the video. For silky pudding, bloom gelatin fully and never boil the mixture after adding it, as heat reduces setting ability. Use whole milk for creamier texture, or a mix of milk and cream if you prefer richness. If the pudding is too soft, increase gelatin by 1/2 teaspoon in future batches. If too firm, reduce by the same amount. Always cool gradually and cover to prevent a skin from forming for a perfect finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.